Hello, my name is Cycler. Today I'm going to explain about why I use this function in Python. So first, I import pandas as PD because pandas as PD used to work with dataset in Python. Then I use file.upload bracket to upload my CSV file into Google Colab. After that, I use pd.read underscore CSV bracket to read the hotel booking dataset and store it inside a variable called df. The name df means data frame, which is like a table in Python. So second one, I use df.head bracket. Next, I use df.head to display the first 5 records of the dataset. This helps me quickly check whether the dataset is loaded correctly. I can see columns such as booking ID, city, guest type, room type, night stay, revenue, RM, customer rating, booking channel, and repeat guest. So here I use df.shape to check the size of the dataset. The output shows that the dataset has 20 rows and 9 columns. And row represent the booking record and column represent the variable in the dataset. After that, I check missing value using df.isNar, and the isNar function check empty cell and sum count how many missing values are in each column. The result shows 0 for every column, so this dataset has no missing value. Next, I use duplicated bracket dot sum bracket to check duplicated record. Duplicated means the same row is repeated more than one. The result is 0, so there is no duplicated record in this dataset. Hello, my name is Cyclone. So now I'm going to explain my Power BI dashboard. So first, these charts show the total revenue generated by each city for this visual. I use city as a category and sum of revenue RM as the value because I want to compare the total revenue from each hotel location. Based on the chart, Langkawi generated the highest revenue compared to the other city. So revenue by room type. These charts show the revenue earned by each room type. I use room type as a category and sum of revenue RM as the value. From the chart, suite room generated the highest revenue. This means premium rooms are important for the hotel because they contribute a large amount of revenue. And guest types distribution. These charts show the distribution of guest type in the dataset. I use guest type to show the customer groups such as business, leisure, and family. Based on the chart, business and leisure get out the largest customer segment. So the hotel should pay attention to these two groups when planning marketing or customer service strategy. So the next chart is repeat guest distribution. These charts show the number of repeat guests and first time guests. In this dataset, 1 means repeat guests and 0 means first time guests. Based on the charts, the results show that 50% of the customers are repeat guests and 50% are first time guests. This means half of the customer in the data have returned to the hotel before. So the next chart is booking channel analysis. These charts show which booking channel customer use the most. I use booking channel as the category and counted the number of booking. From the chart, online is the most frequently using booking channel. This shows that online booking is an important channel for the hotel. So another one is slicer or filter. So I also add a city slicer to make the dashboard interactive. So the slicer allow user to filter the dashboard by city. For example, when I selected one city, all the chart will automatically change and show only the data for that selected city. This help manager analysis hotel performance by location more easily. So, thank you.